Welcome to FFS PRO Site Builder. In this latest tutorial, we'll be showing the latest updates that include the EVO 200 and EVO 400 tank gauges. Begin by going to builder.ffspro.com to log in. Create a new quote and fill out the unique information on the new quote page. At the product category page, click on the Begin section of the Fuel Management Systems category. The first portion of the fuel management systems has essentially remained the same. The user is asked to select the specific probe type, riser thread, tank diameter, and then float diameter. The next page will ask the user what type of float kit they will need based upon the fuel application. Next, the user is asked to enter the quantity of that specific probe they will need. This is also the screen where a user can go back and select additional probes and float kits for other tank applications. The next portion of the Fuel Management Systems section is where the user can select specific types of sensors that they will need for their system. These range from tank interstitial, dispenser sump, and tank sump sensors. Based upon the user's input quantities during the probe page and sensor pages, they will have a baseline idea of what type of tank gauge will be recommended. If the total quantity of probes and sensors is 6 or fewer, the system suggests that the EVO 200 is the default. If the quantity is between 7 and 14, then the system suggests that the default choice of model is the EVO 400. These recommendations are subject to change based upon the next page, which is the internal software options. The first two options shown, SCALD and Reconciliation Auto Calibration, can be used on any of the EVO Series models. The bottom two options, line leak detection and recirculation, are only available for the larger EVO Series tank gauges, the EVO 550 or the EVO 5000. This means that even if the total number of probes or sensors is less than 14, the system will select the EVO 550 if one of those software options is selected. For this example, we will not select any of the internal software options and we will just continue to the next page. The hardware options page is now displayed. Here the user can select from a variety of different options. The options shown on this page, display, printer and Wi-Fi, are the three options available for the EVO 200 and EVO 400. Again, if the quantity of probes and sensors was greater than 14, or if the line leak detection or recirculation software is selected, then the system would select an EVO 550 or EVO 5000, and the hardware options that are unique to those tank gauges would be displayed. For this example, we will select all three of the available options for our tank gauge. The printer used with the EVO 200 and EVO 400 is an external thermal printer, whereas the printer for the EVO 550 and EVO 5000 is built in. The next page is a very simple yes or no on whether the user will be using turbine pump interface in their system. All EVO Series tank gauges are capable of this. The last page will display the actual tank gauge the FFS PRO Site Builder recommends, based upon the user's input. In this example, the recommended system is the EVO 200. That concludes the latest updates and improvements to the FFS PRO Site Builder tool.